Hello everyone. This is Elsha. So I think I cannot no longer use my main account. So if not, uh, you can check me to. So you can look me guys to Journey with Cell, but I will drop the link so you can find me. Or to post this video if it possible if possible not to my main channel. So anyways guys, this video I make is for my mom's surgery. So Saturday um Saturday morning, my brother and my mother my brother rushed my mother to the hospital because her eyes were very painful. And after the doctor checked my mother's eyes, the doctors said that my mother's needs an urgent surgery, or let's say within 3 days my mom's need an eye surgery. The normal, the doctor said the normal eye pressure is 10, but my mother's eye pressure went to 69. And so that's why the doctor said they need to my mother need an urgent surgery. And the surgery will cost no less than 27,000 or less than $500. So it's very big amount. And then on the afternoon Saturday, they went back to the hospital just for the schedule of mom's surgery, while we were still looking for money for the surgery. But this doctor said my mother needs a laboratory. She needs a laboratory first, because the doctor who checked mom's eye in the morning was the uncle of this doctor who's going to operate my mother's eye. So he said he needs a laboratory first, because it's not it's very risk to do some surgery or to operate an eye with a pressure or with a high pressure. So there will be complication if they're going to do that, if the eyes is not normal. So okay, so we need my mother's needs a laboratory. This morning, Monday, my brother and my mother went to a laboratory. So my mom had an x-ray, and my god, we were so very nervous. We were nervous about the x-ray result than the eyes. Than my mom's eye, because the results of mom's x-ray is suspected pneumonia after an I don't know what's alperomatous aerator, meaning there was blockage in the brain or heart, which could lead to complications such as heart attack, aneurysm, or stroke. So, we really don't know, or my mother really needs an operation, an urgent operation, because I know since last year, March 2024, uh, mom already suffered stroke, a mild stroke. By the grace of God, it wasn't serious. So, the doctor gave her medicine and it's for maintenance. But this time, because of her eyes, we found out that she has something like this, that her x-ray is suspected as pneumonia. So it's really blockage in the brain or the heart. So we really don't know where to find the money for her operation. The quotation. Doctor already gave my brother a quotation on how much will it cost for the surgery. It cost less than $800 or 42,000. I really don't know where to find the money. So I'm here, guys, in front of you, asking for a financial, asking for a help financially. Any amount could help. So just to provide this, so that my mother can already have an urgent surgery. Please, I'm hoping someone, generous person, would help me, or would help my mom. I will post in my community the result of the x-ray, the result of the laboratory, and also the quotations, so that you know that this is the amount that really needs for the surgeon. I'm hoping. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. God bless.